Hey guys, ever missed a vendor payment and got hit with late fees or lost trust with a supplier? Let's fix this today. I'm Joanne Leisure with Day One Accounting, and welcome to day 12 of 31 days to 31 ways to clean books. Today we're organizing vendor payments so you never miss a bill again. Yup, I said it. So why is this a problem? Well, if you don't organize vendor payments properly, you could miss payments and damage relationships. Sometimes we as consumers get some discounts and some extras because we have really good relationships with our suppliers. You might also accidentally overpay or make a duplicate payment to a vendor. Maybe you'll struggle with cash flow due to poor planning. Here's the solution. Go to your expenses in your QuickBooks. The tab is there on the left-hand side. Hit vendors. Now, add all your vendors and set up their payment terms, okay? Use bills in QuickBooks instead of just recording expenses. This tracks what you owe. And schedule recurring payments for your vendors that you pay regularly. Proper vendor tracking equals less stress, better cash flow, and no missed payments. If this was helpful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more QuickBooks tips, grab my free ebook, Mastering QuickBooks. The link is in the description. All right, you want to subscribe because tomorrow we're reviewing your profit and loss report because numbers don't lie. People do. I'm Joanne Leisure with Day One Accounting because you got to start somewhere. So start with Day One.